Canam Pulse, the ultimate urban electric motorcycle. The Canam Pulse is an electric motorcycle built for thrill seekers and daily commuters. Priced at $13,999, it offers a perfect blend of performance and convenience. Powered by a 47 horsepower motor, the Pulse delivers impressive acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. It's fast, responsive, and fun to ride. In the city, the Pulse has a range of up to 100 miles. Charging from 20% to 80% takes just 50 minutes with a level 2 charger, ensuring you're back on the road with minimal downtime. The Canam Pulse comes with advanced features like active and passive regeneration, a reverse function for easy parking, and the exclusive LINQ system for quick, tool-free accessory swapping. Stay connected with Apple CarPlay and BRP Go, which allow you to access music, navigation, and vehicle data on the go. With its durable silent chain, multiple ride modes, and eco-conscious design, the Canam Pulse stands out as a modern choice for electric motorcycling. The Canam Pulse offers a thrilling, efficient, and connected ride. It's a perfect option for those looking for high performance, convenience, and sustainability in the urban electric motorcycle market. Kingsong S19, the future of electric unicycles. The Kingsong S19, priced at $2,599, is a premium electric unicycle. It combines advanced technology with powerful performance, making it perfect for both city rides and off-road adventures. With a 3,500-watt hollow motor, the S19 offers impressive torque and fast acceleration. It can reach speeds of up to 60 km per hour, an upgrade from the earlier S18 model. The S19 features an innovative X-shaped suspension linkage. This system provides excellent shock absorption, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride, no matter the terrain. Its modern design is enhanced by RGB lights encircling the body. These lights not only look great but also add a futuristic touch to the unicycle. Built with high-quality materials, the Kingsong S19 is both durable and reliable. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged paths, it delivers an exceptional riding experience. The Kingsong S19 sets a new standard in electric unicycles. It combines style, speed, and comfort, offering a versatile and thrilling ride for any adventure. Mentibot. After robots like Sophia, Asimo, Digit, and Elon's robot, there's a new name in the world of robotics: Mentibot. Developed by Menti Robotics, this advanced humanoid robot is designed for a wide range of tasks, both in homes and industrial settings. What sets Mentibot apart is its use of cutting-edge technologies. It integrates sim-to-real learning and nerve-based real-time navigation to give it human-like precision and dexterity. With the help of large language models, Mentibot can understand and execute verbal commands, making autonomous decisions on the go. This robot is incredibly versatile. It can walk, run, balance while carrying heavy loads, and even perform delicate tasks using its precise arms and hands. Mentibot learns new skills through simulated training before applying them in the real world, ensuring it can adapt to different tasks efficiently. While its abilities are impressive, some remain skeptical about how it will perform in real-world scenarios. Despite the doubts, Mentibot is expected to make a major impact when it's released in 2025. However, like many advanced robots, it may come with a high price tag. Interestingly, Mentibot doesn't have a head. Whether that makes it more or less intimidating is up for debate. But what's certain is that it comes with an impressive set of features. It has semantic knowledge of its environment, can interact visually with its surroundings, and uses sim-to-real transformation to bridge the gap between virtual training and reality. Mentibot's reinforcement learning takes place in a simulated version of itself, using unlimited data to continuously improve. It interacts with humans through voice commands and understands tasks, powered by advanced language models. With its ability to learn and mimic, Mentibot might remind you of science fiction. And while it's a technological marvel, maybe we should be careful what it watches on TV. Some movies might give it ideas. Trigo, the ultimate solution for urban travel. The Trigo offers a unique driving experience, reaching speeds of up to 90 km per hour. It's perfect for both open roads and crowded city streets. One of its standout features is its adjustable width. The Trigo can shrink to just 86 centimeters, allowing you to easily navigate tight city spaces. At this size, it can still reach speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour. The user-friendly car-sharing system adds extra convenience. You can locate a Trigo via the app, scan a QR code, and set your driving preferences, including mode and heater settings. With motorcycle-like maneuverability, the Trigo helps you bypass traffic and find parking effortlessly. It's an efficient and cost-effective solution for urban travel. Whether you're commuting or exploring the city, the Trigo combines convenience, flexibility, and speed. It's designed to make urban travel easier and more enjoyable. SkyTran, the future of urban travel. SkyTran is changing how we get around cities with its cutting-edge, eco-friendly transportation system. Imagine sleek, pod-like vehicles gliding smoothly along elevated tracks, no more traffic jams or crowded roads. This revolutionary system uses magnetic levitation, maglev, and self-driving technology to ensure a fast, safe, and comfortable ride. Best of all, it's powered by renewable energy, making it a greener choice for urban travel. With pilot projects already in motion, SkyTran is on track to become a key player in the smart cities of tomorrow. Get ready to experience a faster, cleaner, and more efficient way to move around with SkyTran. Join the future of transportation today. Audi e-tron Efoil, a game-changer in water sports. The Audi e-tron Efoil is revolutionizing water sports. It blends cutting-edge electric technology with thrilling performance, giving you an experience like no other. With a top speed of 50 kilometers per hour, the Efoil lets you glide smoothly over the water. The high-performance battery provides up to 2 hours of fun, with a range of up to 40 kilometers on a single charge. The Efoil's ultra-slim drive system is built right into the fuselage, giving you incredible stability. Whether you're making tight turns or cruising straight, the design ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride. Safety is a top priority. The Efoil comes with fully shielded rotating parts and a direct electric drive system that requires minimal maintenance. It's built to be both safe and durable. The smart remote control allows you to tailor your ride to your skill level. You can adjust the settings for a custom experience every time you hit the water. The Audi e-tron Efoil is sleek, efficient, and intuitive. It redefines what's possible in water sports, offering a new level of adventure and excitement on the water. Ascendance Flight Technologies Atea, the future of regional air travel. The Ascendance Flight Technologies Atea is a hybrid electric VTOL aircraft designed for cleaner, quieter, and cost-effective regional air travel. It seats 3 passengers and a pilot, with a projected autonomous mode expected to be introduced after 2030. The Atea has a cruise speed of 124 miles per hour and a range of 280 miles, making it ideal for regional trips. The aircraft combines 3 electric VTOL fans and a turbine-powered propeller for forward flight. If necessary, it can also land conventionally, offering flexibility in different scenarios. One of its key innovations is the ability to charge its VTOL batteries during flight, ensuring quick turnaround times. With low noise levels and seamless integration into existing aviation infrastructure, the Atea promises to be a strong option for the future of urban mobility. The Ascendance Atea is paving the way for a cleaner and more efficient future in regional air travel. With its innovative design and versatile capabilities, it's a promising solution for urban air mobility. Gen H4, the personal helicopter you can assemble at home. In 1999, the Japanese company General Corporation introduced the General H4. This light coaxial helicopter was designed for civilian use and is so simple, you can assemble it at home. With just 30 to 40 hours of work, you can build your own helicopter. Its straightforward design makes it easy to put together, even for those without much experience. The Gen H4 can lift up to 86 kilograms and fly at a top speed of 88 kilometers per hour. It's capable of reaching an impressive altitude of up to 3 kilometers. The helicopter is powered by 4 10-horsepower motors. If one motor fails, the other 3 will keep you safely in the air. This gives you an extra layer of protection while flying. If you've ever dreamed of owning a personal helicopter, the General H4 offers an exciting and achievable option. It's simple to assemble, safe, and offers a thrilling flying experience. Rubicon D11. The ultimate electric wheelchair for versatility and comfort. The Rubicon D11 is a powerful, versatile electric wheelchair designed for comfort and mobility, priced at $1,200. Equipped with dual 250-watt motors, the D11 effortlessly handles various terrains and steep slopes, giving you the freedom to explore with ease. The reclinable backrest, adjustable from 90 to 160 degrees, and the headrest ensure personalized comfort, whether you're driving or resting. With a long 25-mile range, the D11 is perfect for extended outings. Its foldable design collapses to just 13 inches in height, making it easy to store and transport. The joystick can be mounted on either side for convenience, and switching between electric and manual modes is quick and simple. Weighing only 64 pounds, the D11 supports up to 330 pounds with its strong aircraft-grade aluminum frame. Thanks to its tight 20-inch turning radius, the Rubicon D11 is ideal for navigating both indoors and outdoors with ease. With its advanced features, long range, and portability, the Rubicon D11 offers an unmatched electric wheelchair experience for all terrains. Green Power Monster. Looking for a powerful electric vehicle with impressive features? Meet the Green Power Monster. It's equipped with a 1500-watt motor and a 60-volt, 45-amp-hour lead-acid battery. This combination delivers a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge and a top speed of 25 miles per hour. The Monster is designed for comfort and safety. It features a full suspension system, along with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes for smooth stopping. Whether you're on the road or private land, you'll enjoy a stable ride. The Monster comes packed with amenities. It includes headlights, tail lights, turn signals, and even windscreen wipers. There's also a digital speedometer, heater, and vacuum tires to make your ride more convenient and comfortable. This electric vehicle is versatile. The adjustable seat ensures a perfect fit for different users. With compact dimensions of 47.2 inches wide, 90 inches long, and 59 inches high, it's suitable for various environments. To ride the Green Power Monster, you'll need a CBT, provisional, or moped license. It's ideal for short commutes or exploring private lands. Silvan L Series, the ultimate family-friendly pontoon. The Silvan L Series pontoon is designed for both relaxation and adventure, making it the perfect family-friendly vessel. One of its standout features is the rear picnic area, which easily converts into a rear-facing lounge. It's ideal for enjoying scenic views while you're out on the water. The SPX Performance Package ensures a smooth and stable ride, even at higher speeds. Whether you're cruising or speeding, the ride stays comfortable. With a sleek black exterior and an integrated ski tow, this pontoon is also perfect for water sports enthusiasts. It offers the best of both relaxation and excitement. The power canopy provides shade for all-day comfort, while seating accommodates up to 11 passengers. With a 200 horsepower max engine, the Silvan L Series offers impressive performance without sacrificing comfort. Combining performance, style, and comfort, the Silvan L Series ensures unforgettable moments on the water, whether you're relaxing or seeking adventure. Volvo CEX, the future of autonomous construction equipment. The Volvo CEX is a visionary concept in construction equipment, designed to showcase the future of autonomous machinery. Developed in partnership with LEGO Technic, this machine blends advanced technology with sustainable design, offering a glimpse into the next era of construction equipment. One of the standout features is its 3D vision system, giving the machine precise awareness of its surroundings. This enables it to perform tasks with greater accuracy and safety. The adjustable boot allows the CEX to handle a variety of tasks with improved precision, making it versatile for different construction needs. Thanks to its autonomous technology, the Volvo CEX can complete complex jobs without human input, reducing manual labor and significantly boosting efficiency on construction sites. Though still a concept, the CEX reflects Volvo's commitment to innovation and sustainability. It offers a look into a future where construction machinery is smarter, safer, and more eco-friendly. While pricing details are not available yet, the Volvo CEX represents a bold shift toward intelligent and efficient heavy machinery. This concept sets the stage for a new era in construction.
The Helicat is a super cool mix of a helicopter and a catamaran. It's designed to zoom across the water, but also fly above it. Not only does it look awesome, but it's also built for speed and stability, even in choppy waters. It comfortably fits 3 people, but can hold up to 7, including the pilot. The cabin is waterproof, thanks to vinyl curtains that you can adjust as needed. You can choose between 2 engines, a 60-horsepower Yamaha that hits 31 miles per hour, or a 90-horsepower Honda that can go up to 44 miles per hour. The Helicat is 21 feet long, 10 feet wide, and weighs about 1.5 tons. It's perfect for water adventures, featuring gear for diving and fishing, like folding chairs, rod holders, and a fishing net. There's even an aluminum deck for diving. Sea Breacher is a shark-shaped watercraft that's part submarine, part jet ski. Despite its size, 16 feet long and weighing 350 pounds, it's incredibly agile.